Now we go to the bell tower. I thought that was a bell tower. It sure looks like a tea house. I'm starting to get very disappointed. Well, that's a little steep.
身子放低一点，下不那么低，腿是微弯一点，人往后面坐，不要腰放低一点。
Hello. I think someone should clean the bell. That's pretty thick metal. Okay, there's the Forbidden City. Boy, it's a large part of this place. It really is big. Wow. Oh, we're right here. That's where we are. Okay, so if bell tower is here, drum tower is there, that means in this direction that I'm pointing right now, that's where the Forbidden City is, straight directly behind that. Not directly behind it, but in that direction. King of ancient bells. Okay, let's read it. The time announcing bell was cast during the reign of Emperor Yongle of the Ming Dynasty. The bell is 7.02 meters in overall height. The height of the bell is, or the height of the bell body is 5.55 meters. The diameter of the lower part is 3.4 meters. The thickness ranges from 12 to 24 centimeters. And the weight is 63 tons. My God, it can therefore be called the King of Ancient Bells. Yeah, I would say. Oh, that's where the train is. I remember those 3 buildings on the video when I'm coming from the train to my hotel. I remember that. Yeah. Huh. Oh, sorry. Okay, wonderful.
Yeah, how solid what height?
What height?
It's hat. When you say it like that, it sounds like hat.
Oh God. You can see why they have a hand railing there. I'm going to use it. Oh, so much fun to be in China. Yeah, ain't it great?